Hello, it's Kay, and today's swatch sesh features fall yet again because what happened was that Hollyhock released their fall collection. Death Valley Nails and ILNP also released their fall 2024 lineup, and although I did not get the full collections, I did go on their website to pick out the individual polishes that I liked the most. So with that being said, let's go check these out. Truffle by ILNP. Now, Truffle is part of the Campground collection. Take a good look at this first application where you can more clearly see the brown tone, because once you move on to the second coat, you start to question, is this black or is this brown? And I think it's both, depending on the lighting and on your skin color, but I'm gonna go ahead and describe this as a brown that is just about to turn black. You know those people who have like dark brown hair that can look black? This is like the nail polish version of that hair color. The formula has the typical excellence that we expect from ILNP, but do keep in mind that this polish dries down noticeably darker than how it looks in the bottle, or at least that was my experience. Silent Library by Hollyhock. Silent Library is part of the Dark Academia collection. Now, yet again, we have a polish that can look like two colors at the same time. With Silent Library, we have a deep navy base, and we're talking deep. We're talking this polish is like a philosopher, okay? This looks like a really blackened navy that holds tiny silver and what appears to be frosted blue metallic shreds or elements of some sort. Although what could also be happening is that the silver shreds that are trapped within the navy base are appearing blue, so they may just all be silver. It's kind of reminding me of Glam Asphalt. Crown Jelly by Starrily. I bought this one because I have officially begun my search for the perfect purple jelly so that I can wear it this Halloween season, but I have to say this is not it. The formula is not what I would call self-leveling. For example, if there's like a small accumulation of polish on your nail left over from a brush stroke, it kind of just stays put, which pretty much obligates you to apply a second coat that just leads to the polish becoming way too dark. So what I'm doing to avoid that is applying as thin of a coat as I can while being very careful to not overwork it and cause dragging and bald spots, because I'm not sure how to describe this, but it's feeling like a dry jelly, if that makes any sense. It's not really a one coater type of jelly in my opinion, and I also don't think this is really beginner friendly unless you're okay with applying regular coats, not thin coats, and ending up with a blackened purple color. Hollyhock Petals by Death Valley Nails. Hollyhock Petals is part of Death Valley Nails 2024 fall collection, and it is part of their Dust to Dust line of polishes, which are composed of earth pigment or elements. In this case, this polish contains petals from the hollyhock plant, specifically the burgundy color one. I know that the petals appear black here, but they aren't. In fact, when I removed this polish, there was a purple tone on the cotton ball, but aside from that, there also appears to be some green in here, possibly from another part of the plant, which is fine, of course. This is the end result after two coats, but you can, of course, build this up to get more petals. Costume Jewelry by Death Valley Nails. Also part of their 2024 fall collection, Costume Jewelry is an amazing concoction, you guys, of multi-chrome flakies. We have hollow glitter, we have reflective glitter as well. Super fun, super sparkly, as the name suggests, and we can use this alone, of course, in which case I would really recommend a minimum of 2 coats, and I'm pretty sure this would also look very cool and frosty with a matte top coat. But to really see what this is made of, I decided to use this over Hollyhock's one coat black, and it is pretty impressive in my opinion. This is just one coat over black and it completely satisfies all sparkle needs. Definitely looking forward to playing some more with this one. TLDL, this is my mini fall haul, and as hard as I was on crown jelly, it's still my favorite from this haul simply because it is a purple jelly, which I had been wanting for a while, and I also do have some plans for that polish, which will be part of my Halloween content. I kind of just wish I had a bigger fall haul to swatch for you all, but I don't know, maybe one day a brand will come out with a fall collection that I love. But for now, I really appreciate you clicking on this video. I am here every week with a new swatch sesh, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.